Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook Marketplace message limit reached, what it means and how to get around it. Fix 1 is stop messaging immediately. Do not send additional message during the block period. Then completely close the Facebook app. Wait for 24 to 72 hours for the block to reset. The temporary automated block requires total inactivity to lift. Second fix is request a review. Open the Facebook app, then tap the menu icon, then select Marketplace. Look for a banner indicating restricted access. Then tap Request Review or Fix It Now. Follow the on-screen instruction to submit the form. Third fix is clear the app cache, Android only. Open your phone setting, then go to app, then send Facebook from the list. Tap Storage in Cache, then tap Clear Cache. Fourth one is reinstall the Facebook app. Press and hold the Facebook app icon on your home screen, then select Install or Delete app. Restart your phone, open the Google Play Store or App Store, then search up Facebook and reinstall it again. Thanks for watching.